We have question number 6 of October number 2005. In this we need to plot the sketch. So we know that y equals to the first point cot of 2x. This would be just as, we just have the values 0. So this is a pi or we can just leave it multiply this would be just 1/4 of pi and half of pi. The values can go similar with 1 and 2 -1. So the thing over here, we know that the cot has an inverse of tan, so this would have an asymptote. So asymptote can be denoted simply at since it's y cot 2x, you can plug x as 0, so this would turn out to be against the asymptote of half pi. It can be here, and the other values can be here. So the first value for asymptote of cot y would be here, and since we know that sine wave like this, but since it's half of pi, so half of pi would be just half wave. So half wave would just be let's take look. So it starts from intercept as -1, so it's -1. It is going as a wave, but y can also be over here as 1, so it goes from here. Let me take it back. It goes from here, not beyond that, and not a full wave, it's a half wave. So the point of intersection would only be 1 over here. So we can name the graphs. There is no need for that, but we can. Cot of 2x, and this one was 2 of 2x minus 1. So it is by shown by them. There is no need to write the statement, though it was given in the marking scheme that we can write it, that it indicates only one point of intersection, but it's shown. There is no need to write it. Now we can do the thing by calculation. For showing function, we already have the function cot of 2x minus 2x plus 1, so the values will be just 0.2, 0.4, and the other value is 0.6. Just solve it and we would get the value. You can use the calculator by using that. The first value for this would be 0.536. That's fine. 3 is discriminant values. The other value would be just negative 0.4753. So as you can see on the curve that over here, it is going from positive to negative. So over here it is also going positive to negative. And sine wave is always, you can see that it's moving from positive to negative. Over here is also like that. So this proves that signs are changing from positive to negative. So iterative formula can be used of this. Now, given that for its iteration, you can just directly plug in the values. But over here, the first value would be we already have the values, but we have to calculate it to 2 decimal place. So the ranges can be, we already have the range 0.4 to 4 this. So how we can solve this? This can be solved as the range can be taken as the value for x. I would consider first value. Or we can also do the minus thing, but we know that this is the minimum one. So x1 would be just 0.5, and we can, means in the exam, either you can show all the values, and if you don't, you can directly write the values, but this value has to go with the formula, the whole formula. So the formula would be 5 times by 10 inverse of 1 by 2 sine of 2, and x is going to keep 0.9 minus 1, and this whole things can be written. So x2, x3, x4. In the similar way, you can put it in the calculators and get the values. And the fourth one is, if you plug it, but it's not catching up, so let's do it again. 5, 4, 7. Still not catching up. 6, 8. So let's think. 2 decimal place this 4.8, and this would turn out to be 4.8, 4.9. So most of the time it is 4.9. So we can say that choosing the values. And here, 3 times, when the output turn out to be this will be the value of 0.49. This would be that would be the answer for 6 part C. So that was done.